of the poisons of mind is greed. Greed is nothing but lobha. We want more. However much we have, we want more. Not only do we want more and more of something, if somebody else has more of it, we don't want that. We don't like it and we want to grab it. Whichever way, right? Many a times. Or not only do we want more of something, but we don't want somebody else to have it also. Think about this, both in terms of material things and in terms of sharing, especially with siblings, especially parents having several kids, how the kids might get into this greed of sharing the love of the parents, or sharing the love of husband and the parents, or the husband sharing the love of the parents and the wife. Sometimes this can get into greediness too. Greed, when it happens, it gives us that illusion of happiness because we want more and more, so it gives us an illusion of happiness. And because I've used the word poison, if it's a poison, there must be an antidote, right? So the antidote of greed is compassion. Beautiful antidote. Just remember, it's very important. Antidote of greed is compassion. The second poison of mind is hatred, dvesha. We know what that is, but best way to understand hatred is, I take the poison but I want the other person to die. It gives us the illusion of power, hatredness. And the antidote for hate is love. The third poison is delusion. Greed, hatred and delusion. Delusion is also called in Sanskrit moha, attachment. It is because of attachment. And it gives the feeling of specialness. We feel special. That is nothing but delusion. And the antidote for delusion is wisdom. If we can remember these three poisons of mind and also know that there are antidotes for all the three poisons, we'll be able to, even before getting into all the way into forgiveness, we can keep using the antidote as and when it is needed. And the antidotes, just like the antidote, how quickly it reverses the action of the poison. In the same manner, if we use those antidotes of compassion, love, it will be immediate. And that is why we call this as miraculous healing. Miraculous not in the way of, oh, we don't know how it works. Miraculous because it is instantaneous. So we need to understand that power of this miraculous healing.